Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another episode of The Simple Miner. Today I'm just going to be going over how to show you guys how to set up a new mining rig using the S37 motherboard. It's supposed to be designed to pretty much just, it's like a plug and play system. So you got your motherboard, you have your CPU and fan that's already attached. All you really need is either a solid state drive for the operating system. You can also use a USB, which I'm going to use in this video. You need your RAM, which is the laptop SODIMM 8GB DDR3 RAM. You'll need a power supply. I'll be actually using the HP server power supply with a breakout board. Sorry about the lighting, hopefully it's not too unclear. And then that's pretty much it. I have some fans that aren't hooked up. I will hook them up at a later time. And then of course you're going to need your GPU. I'll be using the RX 6600 for this one. I'm probably just going to use this for learning purposes, and then I'm actually going to add this one to the current rig I have going on over here with 7 GPUs already, and I'll make a later video on that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first things first, what we're going to do is hook up our breakout board to the HP server PSU. Just make sure they're both the same wattage and they're compatible. Like this is a 1200 watt, this one's rated for 1200 watts. If either one of these was 1600 and 1200 or vice versa, it just wouldn't be compatible, it's not going to work. But once that all matches, you're just going to slide this thing in here, a little bit of pressure, kind of wiggle it, it'll click on, and that's pretty much it. We'll go ahead, we can plug in our 6 pins for now, and then we'll do the rest in the next step. Alright, so for the next step, I'm just going to take this USB or this SanDisk USB drive. It's a 32 gigabyte. I think you only really need like a 16, but just to have a little extra space, I use a 32 gigabyte. And you're just going to pick one of these USB ports to put it in. Hopefully you guys can see that. And that'll go in just like any other USB. Next, we're also going to do the RAM. You're going to go at this at a slight angle. It should catch, and then you just push down until it clicks in. And then what we can actually do now is go ahead and plug in our power supply to this part right here. So this is going to be the first plug-in now. This power supply is going to power this GPU, this power port is going to power this one, and all the way down. So just make sure you guys do that. And then now we're going to take our GPU. We're going to go ahead and click it in here. So make sure that's all the way in. Right. And then we can go ahead and plug that in. So that's pretty much it. I'm just actually going to run a power cord and my Ethernet cord over to this, and then we're going to check it out and see if we can see it on our Hive dashboard.
Go ahead and ignore the 3060 Ti label. I plan on hooking those up in another video. But yeah, you can see that the rig is mining. It's at 28.9 megahash. You can see the GPU as well as the motherboard information as well. And it's already got an approved share. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Please, if you like it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I'll also share some affiliate links for the items I used in the description below. Thanks again. Bye.